And finally, live from New York, it's Saturday night!
Every now and then we'd get a real diva host, and I promised myself that if I ever hosted, I would be that diva, and I am the best in the world!
I hear Steelers a big kiss ass, and Owen Wilson is gay.
I still use the word. My girlfriend. Got it. Thank you, Sean.
Well, you can be my sidekick, the Incredible Homo!
You remember my boy, H.W.? No! No! I've abandoned my child! I've abandoned my boy! I've abandoned my child! Oh, here he is. He's right here. I lost him. Another milkshake.
In honor of that, I'm gonna smoke a penis. Cigar, not penis. I'm not gay, I'm not gay. I have a mother. Girlfriend! I meant to say girlfriend. Whew. I feel like a total cigar.
You're taking small steps, but they're big steps, buddy.
No, it's not. Ain't no Wizard of Oz. Ain't no... No, you do not interrupt one of Gambling stories.
She keep that up, and you'll be playing Twister on the floor of the prison bathroom.
Do you like corned beef? I make my own. If you don't get it, kill yourself.
Stop! Stop! It feels like needles in my face!
Hey, I'm sorry about that, little man. Yeah, the issue is fixed, and it won't happen again.
Please stop, we're begging you.
It is a miracle that he is alive, but to me the only miracle is that I have not taken my own life during the interminable wait.
She also conjectures loudly as to who in the office is or isn't gay.
Everyone knows, Philip.
I am married.
I admit I have not been recycling. In fact, I have been openly encouraging people to be wasteful. I often go to other people's recycling bins and throw them into the regular trash.
What are you guys saying?
Oh, we were just agreeing that we like you a lot better without your beard.
Yep. And I never had a beard.
We meant Amy Poehler.
As I said before, guys, I'm not gay.
Well, Seth, I suggest you Google yourself, pal of mine.
Because the jury is in. Oh!
A gay couple from New Jersey, everybody. Gay couple.
Not wearing a condom with a prostitute. That's like riding in a convertible through New Jersey.
Chairman and a very, very handsome gentleman.
Well,
And if I close my eyes real tight, I can, I can watch Toy Story on my eyelids.
We're gonna miss you so much, Seth.
You barely know him.
Cecily, I'm so sorry, Stephanie. This is Amy and this is Stefan.
And Stefan, Seth has told me so much about you.
Keep my man's name out your mouth.
I want to do some experiments at a place called Fire Island.
Fire Island? It sounds like a monstrous hell.
If that's hell, sign me up.
Once again, LCD sound system.
Who would you rather have as governor, the prostitute guy or Mr. Disaster?
That's a tough call to make since all options are terrible. That's like judging a beauty contest in New Jersey.
Do you like my tie? Everyone knows if you don't wear green on St. Patty's, you get pinched. I'm naughty.
Boys, let's go.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Gary. Good night. All right, guys. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Wait until all your guests have gone home and the house has been cleaned. Then you may go to the woods to relieve yourself. If it ends up being diarrhea, you must leave society and live in the woods as an animal. Never return.
I think he's really come around.
I have. I love her so much.
You know, it's so easy. I think the method should be used every day.
Why? I mean, yes, I love you.
And Cleveland has literally burst into flames.
You, Transformer.
Yes, yeah, Transformer, me, right.
From woman to man?
Who's a pretty kitty? Who's a pretty kitty? You are little Mr. Man.
Okay. Isn't that right, Christopher? But don't just take our word for it. Listen to...
Fall Out Boy! Anusa, are you okay?
Huh? I'm great.
I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
What kind of music does your daughter listen to?
Oh, let's see. What does she? Oh, well, she listens to a lot of this band called Fall Out Boy.
Okay, now let's move on.
I'm sorry, real quick. Is Fall Out Boy 1, 2, or 3 words?
Oh, I don't know.
I found it as 3 words.
Guess I'll just eat poison till I die. Oh, Mustafa.
The preemptive striker from American Taser.
Nod and smile as your husband tells a humorous story. There you go.
Clear right.
What?
Clear right. Bye, Tyler.
Bye.
Earth, you're a wonderful, wonderful planet. Earth, you're a wonderful, wonderful planet. Earth, you're a wonderful, wonderful planet. I'm gonna be a better boyfriend to you.
Now look, if you got a baby at home, hold it up to the TV. Hold it up there. Okay, is it up there? You got a crying baby on your hands.
We surrender unconditionally to the villains that burn our autos.
Zut là, they are approaching. No, 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 no. I just received an owl from he who shall not be named.
Oh, Albus, don't tell me Voldemort has returned.
No, not Voldemort. Jerry, my ex.
Happy holidays to everyone except New Jersey.
I have sex with men. Or recently, one man, Julius.
Take your shirt off for 1 second.
Flirting expert Rebecca LaRue, everybody.
I'm gonna take you someplace romantical, someplace tropical.
You don't mean...
That's right, Rainforest Cafe.
Bernie, you know what he mean, is my cellmate Bernie. And he's gonna spend his weekend hosting a beach party.
She actually got my tie. Barbara Birmingham is way faster than she looks. You undid the top button.
There we go.
All right, there you go. Good evening.
No, only one song tonight. One song tonight.
Earth, you're a wonderful, wonderful planet.